ADCL Reds are about to start their innings, then but the captain is facing. Meanwhile, Khabar Sheikh, the experienced campaigner, will be on the non-striker end. Mohammad Haroon to start with the bowling proceeding. Cow corner and long on has been taken back. .356 p.m. and the second inning starts now. Good start from ADCL Greens. Then but taking his time. Wickets in hand is definitely going to be critical. Another good delivery. Haroon enticing Zanbat to play towards the mid-wicket region. There is protection there. Call for a catch and dropped by Raz Afridi. ADCL Greens continuing with their Achilles heel lack of catch taking. Then but very lucky. Again well played. One more delivery. So far, a decent over by Haroon. A maiden over would definitely do wonders for ADCL Greens. Each and every run protect on every ball will help them in the last 5 overs and will pile up more runs for ADCL Reds to achieve in lesser time. Very well bowled, and that's the end of the first over. It's a maiden over, could have been a wicket maiden. Good over by Haroon. सर जी आगे अंपायर सर जी नो प्रॉब्लम a good over by Haroon. Usman Asad to start his over from the parking end. Usman Asad has been phenomenal from this end so far. ADCL Greens missing out an opportunity, missing a catch. An Achilles heel for ADCL Greens, which they still haven't sorted out, it seems. Khabar Sheikh to face. Starts off with the wide delivery. Pitched up towards the body. A good delivery by Usman Asad. Played and a miss. Another dot delivery. Another dot delivery. Required run rate 10.41. However, early days, circle overs do possess the advantage that even a one good over changes the economy rate equation very quickly. Punch towards the point region, very well fielded. Still no run. Only one run has come off in the 11 deliveries bowled so far. There's already a protection there. Waqar Butt at the deep point region and a single taken. That's the end of the second over. ADCL Reds 2 for no loss. Zain Butt 6 deliveries, no run. Khabar Sheikh 1 run from 6 deliveries. Usman Asad just concluded the second over, which was his first. 1 over 2 runs and no wicket. Mohammad Haroon to continue. Ali Mesam कह रहे हैं बाबर should field outside the circle. मैं कहा he's a keeper. Main group में ना मैं कहा भाई ADCL Greens are without their main top two keepers today, Syed Ali Mesam and Azhar Iqbal. Babar Amanat is keeping as a makeshift keeper. Very well bowled. Our Sheikh not successful so far. Cow corner and long on are outside. Phenomenal over so far. One delivery still left. The captain Zain Butt having a chat with Khawar Sheikh. I'm sure he's advising him that let this over pass by. No need to play extravagant shots. No need to do any adventure. And smack towards 4 towards the cover region. Khawar Sheikh opens up his account. This was slighter loose delivery and dispatch for 4 towards cover. Usman Asad to continue his second over. After 3 overs, ADCL Reds 6 for no loss. ADCL Greens in a good position so far. 10.82 is the required run rate. Definitely ADCL Greens would love to have a couple of wickets in circle over. Meanwhile, ADCL Reds would target not to give away those wickets. Keeping wickets. हैदर, आपका ओवर रेट भी कोई चीज़ है? Usman Asad to ball to Zain Butt. Another catch dropped. किसने किया ड्रॉप? नजम? नजम था? Najam Saqib misses a regulation catch at the square fine leg region. Not a convincing shot. There is protection at the mid wicket. Call for 2. However, both batsmen deciding against it. ठहर जा, उसको आने तो दे ऊपर. अबे उसको बैटिंग पे तो आने दे, फिर चेंज कर देना. Zain Butt not confident about his bat. Played and missed by Khawar Sheikh. Usman Asad dinging it in. However, sent back by Zanbart for a single. It would have been a dangerous single. I would say correctly sent back. Zanbart is not one of the fast runners in ADCL. Therefore, it would have been difficult and perhaps curtains for him if it had been a direct throw by Imtiaz, had shot mid wicket. Ball played towards the square leg region. It was a loose delivery, smacked for 4 by Sheikh. So Sheikh exerting his muscles. Played and a miss by Khabar Sheikh. That's the end of the 4th over. It's 11 for no loss. Mohammad Haroon to continue. Quite rightly so. 11 11 हाँ जी 4 ओवर. Zanbart has only scored 1 run from 8 deliveries, 2 dropped catches on his batting. Quite lucky to be there. Mohammad Haroon to continue so far in 2 overs. He has only conceded 4 runs and he has bowled 1 maiden over as well. No wicket so far, however. Left by Zanbart. Buying off some time perhaps, hoping that Haroon's over would finish. But I assume it's his third over. He might be bowling 1 more. And that's a 6. A big one at the long off edge. Long on to be precise, sorry. That's a 6. Loose delivery and very confidently played by Zanbart. Right off the middle of the bat. So Reds punching back. Another one. A big 6 again in the long off region. So 2 back-to-back 6s for Haroon. Now this is what happens if you start missing catches. The batsman would try his luck again and there would come a time where he will get in form. Now these 2 6s were right off the middle of the bat, in control by Zan. Ball nudged towards the square leg, a single taken. Now what it does is basically puts pressure away from Khabar Sheikh. The run rate has suddenly gone up to nearly 5, whereas it was 4 in the previous over. Well played towards us. There is protection there. I don't think it will be 2, however, single taken. Very well played, protection there. Imtiaz Afridi, a single taken. That's the end of the 5th over. It's 26 for no loss. An expensive over, 15 runs coming off it. 26 यार, बैटिंग लो, आपका काम है बैटिंग टीम, आपको अपडेट करना है यार। Five overs gone, 26 for no loss. Mohammad Haroon went for 15 runs in his over. He finishes his third over, 19 runs for no loss. Now it remains to be seen if he will continue on his fourth over or not. Will there be change? Usman Asad to continue his third over. Now this is usually the over where he starts getting tired. So I think the hard part is already done by Zain Butt, which was to survive the attack bowling of ADCL Greens, especially Usman Asad. So this over will be crucial. He needs to fend off these 6 deliveries and look towards the longer delivery. And poor selection of shot. Extremely poor selection of shot. Zain Butt and Usman Asad has an amazing rivalry. Majority of the times it is Usman Asad who takes Zain Butt's wickets, and he had him had Najam held on to the catch. Now this is the name of the game. This is cricket. You drop catches, you don't win matches so easily, at least. I think Khabar has advised Zain to play his shot right on. Single taken. Khabar Sheikh now facing Usman Asad. For Khabar Sheikh, intelligent field is there. They have a deep point available. Khabar Sheikh is very strong in that area. Usman Asad with his third delivery. Play towards point. Quick fielding by Riaz. A dot delivery. Good over so far from Usman. He should be persisting with the offline rather than going towards on. And a beautiful extra cover shot played for 4. Too short and taken full advantage of by Khabar Sheikh. As I mentioned before, he's very strong off his offside. This is where driven towards long off, long on, sorry. However, there's protection there. And a single taken. One last ball to go. 6 runs coming off this over so far. A good over so far for ADCL Greens. Wide delivery for sure, and it is wide. Well kept. Very, very lucky. Zain Butt, very lucky. Sorry, my apologies. Usman Asad very lucky that Zain Butt did not dispatch this poor delivery towards 4. This over, a boundary would do wonders for ADCL Reds. A dot ball would end. That's the end of the last over. At the end of the 6 overs, 33 for no loss. Sunny? Not out. This was not out. Mohammad Haroon. Loose delivery from Mohammad Haroon. Play towards D point. And 2 runs taken. This is the last over of the power play. Very well bowled. Dot delivery. Again, very well played from at the cover end and 2 runs. What a delivery. Poor selection of shot by Khawar Sheikh. He's been indicating towards the dressing room for water. Sometimes when you are thirsty, you tend to play vigorous shots. Perhaps he was fancying the cow corner region. There is protection there, mind you. Very well bowled and very well intelligently played at the end by Khawar Sheikh. Only one delivery remains of the circle over. So in a sense, I would say it's a successful circle over for both parties. Greens had loved to have a couple of wickets, which they obviously would have had if they had held on to their catches. Usman Asad to continue from the parking end. The next 9 overs will be bowled from the parking end, and the last 9 overs now will bowled from the golf course end. So very critical. At the end of the 7th over, it's 38 for no loss. 38. OP, 38 hai. At the end of 7 overs. Usman Asad to continue. Circle now opens up. Good contest between Usman Asad.
ਉਧਰ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਲਾਲਚ ਕਰਨ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪੂ ਕਰਨਾ
नहीं ਹੁਣ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ
ਹਾਂ
then you will have no option at the end.
ਸੱਤੇ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋ ਤੋਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
ਚਲੋ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਫਿਰ ਸਪੈਂਸਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਨਾ ਕਰਨਾ. Very well played. Respect shown to
प्रॉब्लम
क्या नहीं है. Carefully nudged. Short mid wicket. Keeper runs and fetches the ball. Babar Manat very active today in the field. Very well batted as well. So contributing from every end. अभी सनी आ जाएगा ना सनी को बाहर कर लो. वो कार बटन को दादे कंट्रोल करो सिचुएशन.
कैच हो गया
कॉल फॉर अ कैच. नहीं कैच
छक्का हो गया सर
That's a 6.
हवाला है जी
Howard Sheikh. For a minute there was chance of catch, but I would say that the wind has taken the ball towards the outer boundary region, so slightly unlucky for Sunny, but good to see Howard Sheikh taking on. Howard Sheikh 29 from runs from 28 deliveries so far. Slow delivery, not posing any challenge, so single taken towards deep mid wicket. At the end of the 8th over, it is 49 for no loss. Mohammad Haroon to continue his 5th over.
अच्छी कैलकुलेशन
49 है जी 8 हो रहे हैं 49 49. Correct. Feel that Ali Akbar will now. Haroon आया है. सौरभ आप इधर ही हो. Haroon आया अंदर. सनी आप बाहर हो. हाँ. Ali Akbar debuting for ADCL. Intelligent bowler.
ये जो दो कैच ड्रॉप हुए हैं हमारी फेवर वो नहीं हमारी फेवर में
The later Shakil and Navneet will be exposed, the better for them.
लेटर
The later. So आप उनको सर्कल में लेके आते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. प्रेशर एक चीज़ होती है. Ali Akbar now bowling to Howard Sheikh. अगर पहले लाइन लेंथ सेट करे 4 स्ट्रेट ओवर लाइन लेंथ सेट करे 4 ओवर ਦਾ स्पेल अगर है 4 ਦਾ अच्छा निकाल गया ना गेम अद्धी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਏਗੀ. Very critical spell. The opening bowlers I feel have done their job in the circle overs. 8 overs 49 for no loss. Howard Sheikh 30 in 29 deliveries. Ali Akbar coming from round the wicket. 195 runs required from 101 deliveries. Nearly twice run rate. 11.58 is the required run rate. Ali Akbar starting from round the wicket. Good first ball. Angling it out. Will be definitely a good contest. That's a wide delivery. Come protection. I feel come protection. Play towards cover, however there is fielding. Placement is there. Good single taken quickly. Oh, very well bowled. अपील फॉर कॉट. मेरा ख्याल है जमीन पे लगे. आवाज़ तो नहीं आई साहब, आवाज़ तो नहीं आई कोई.
बॉलिंग शाबाश, सही है बॉलिंग शाबाश. और रश कर रहे हैं, जल्दी जल्दी करो.
बड़ा पेस निकाला है एकदम इसने.
मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं थर्ड बॉल लेना चाहिए, फाइनल गद्दे लेना चाहिए.
सनी
एंगल कर रहा था.
आवाज़ आई, हमें तो नहीं आई. हम दोनों हमें तो नहीं है. मेरा ख्याल है जमीन पे लगे.
अपील नहीं चाहिए.
बॉलर ने अपील भी डिलेड की है. Not instant reaction for appeal. Good delivery by Ali Akbar. If nothing else, resulting in a dot delivery. Every dot delivery as of now is a gold nugget for ADCL Greens. They would want the required run rate to push up further and further. Naveed Khan and Shakil Rana are still to come for Reds, which are the key batsmen. There is protection there. ऐदा सभी ऐदा कटर आंदा है ना, इन्ना इन्ना कटर ऐदा फिरदा है. ऐदा जे ए कटर ए नहीं कटर ए कटर मारे इन्हें जमीन पे बज जाना तो बाहर निकलता. बड़ा कटर इसका अच्छा है. Attempt of a cutter which resulted in a full toss delivery, however lucky not to be dispatched. There is protection there at square leg as well, and protection there at extra cover, and a single taken. So far still a good over, only 4 runs off it. Slow delivery, call for catch, and Yusuf gets him this time. क्या कहा था? क्या है ना था ना?
विकेट चाहिए ये चीज. 3 बारियां मिली है इसको, 3 बारियां.
आ जाना उधर.
सो रहे हैं सारे, सो रहे हैं. तेरा कोई फायदा नहीं. तू पहली बॉल पे भी ऐसे ही मुंह लटका के आ रहा होता है, और इतनी बॉल खेल के भी.
पानी किधर है यार? पानी श्यान बेटा, पानी किधर?
जल्दी सौरभ.
बाकी से ले जा. ए जरा पूछो मैनू की क्या है. मैं क्या इन्हें कटर मारे है एक्सल जड़ा उत्थे गया. मैं क्या कटर एक बारी लग गया ना जमीन ते नहीं फड़ा जाएगा. फॉरन में विकेट कहता तुम बिल्कुल सही किया. मैं क्या मैनू वेखिया ना ਇਹਦਾ कटर ट्राई करता. मैं इन्हू भी हैदर भी ये किया. मैं क्या अली अकबर एक्सपेंसिव शायद हो जाए, लेकिन मैं क्या वो विकेट मेरे हाथ च फड़ाएगा.
मेरे को पहले आउट नहीं पाना वो बता.
नहीं बट हैट्स ऑफ टू, उन्हें कैच अच्छा किया है. क्रेडिट हैज टू बी. हाँ नहीं कैच उन्हें अच्छा किया. हाँ है ना, अच्छा किया यूसुफ। ओ ते चलो मिल गई ना। गुड। बैट्समैन भी ना कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है। Jabran Wali to continue. This is his first over. 53 for 1 in 9 overs. Shakil Rana walks in.
Bowling Shabash Jabran.
Oh, a good start.
Well ball. Shabash ball बैठने वाला है Shabash.
Jabran Wali starts off economically. He has been a revelation for greens in this tournament so far. A good spell by him. Tried for a boundary.
ज़्यादा लूज नहीं Shabash.
Poor delivery by Jabran and dispatched for a 6. 6 हुआ ना? check है ना? Dispatch for 6. This is where Shakil is superb and magnificent. He does not let go of poor deliveries, and this was a poor delivery. Dispatched to square leg mid-wicket region for a huge 6. Now 7 runs of 3 deliveries.
Shabash Arun Shabash. Shabash Shakil भाई जल्दी में Shabash.
Good ball by Jabran. Poor delivery. Very lucky not to be dispatched away for 4 because the line was quite good. Now ADCL Greens should try to make Hawar Sheikh face more deliveries rather than Shakil. Hawar Sheikh playing steadily, 33 of 34. Poor delivery. End of the 10th over. It's 61 for 1 after 10 overs. 61. 10 over. जी. Ali Akbar Mir to continue.
रियाज आ जाएगा ना और कर लेना रियाज के साथ
Ali Akbar back in attack. There is no third man protection. Let's see how he fares. Driven towards the mid wicket. Only a single taken. 89 balls left and 182 runs required. Each and every dot ball, each and every ball which will not concede a boundary as of now will be beneficial for ADCL Greens. ADCL Reds needs flurry of boundaries as of now.
पीछे रखो पीछे अली वो मार रहा है बस
That's a six. Shot by Khabar Sheikh. Ali Akbar under the hammer now. Changing sides coming from over the wicket now. Dot delivery. So good comeback by him. 7 runs from 3 delivery.
उसमें कराते रहो शाबाश यही कराते रहे यही खेला जा रहा शाबाश शाबाश
Imtiaz Afridi holds on to his first catch. और भाई well played यार. और भाई क्रॉसिंग हो गई.
शाबाली वेल बॉलिंग शाबाली असल में मैं डबल बैंड हो गया था मैं समझ आया उन्हीं ने तो रुक गया था एक बार बहुत अच्छा भाई यार वेल बॉल यार शाबाश वेल बॉलिंग शाबाश गुड कैच यार थैंक यू गुड बॉल बड़ी शाबाश शाबाली अभी निकाल शाबाश
Shakir Rana now facing Ali Akbar. Ali Akbar already taken 2 wickets. Smart bowling by Ali Akbar. Driven towards long off and a single taken. ये तुझे क्यों किया वैसे ना? यार पूरा हुआ बंदा. नहीं भी करता. अभी किसको देंगे? ये जिब्रान. हम तो को बुकी करते. मेरा जिब्रान ना नहीं किया.
शाबाश शाबाश जल्दी लिया शाबाश 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 कैच पकड़ बाल पकड़ो यार अली अली बुलडास नहीं यार बाल मिस करो शाबाश सही है शाबाश और हो गया अली को इधर भेजना है
A loose delivery from Ali Akbar, dispatched for 4 towards the extra cover region by Humayun. A good intention, good energy by Jibran Wali is back in the attack. 1 over 8 runs previously, 73 for 2 in 11 overs by ADCL Reds. The required run rate has crept up to 12.21. Shakil, Humayun and Naveed Khan, these are the 3 gentlemen on which ADCL Reds are really reliant on. Jibran to
शाबाश सही है शाबाश शाबाश सही है विकेट है आपकी शाबाश ज्यादा बॉल नहीं देना लूज आराम से
driven towards long off, a single taken.
क्या करने मार रहे हो जल्दी कर
Call for 2. And 2 taken. Unnecessary throw, I would say.
शाबाश जबरान, शाबाश, सही है।
Ball driven towards long off and a single taken.
कभी पकड़ी है जो अफसोस कर रहे हो? यहाँ तक आ गया नॉनसेंस। क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, बदतमीजी कर रहा है। यार तेरे पैर लो।
Required run rate 12.30. 5 runs off 3 deliveries so far. Again driven towards long off. Takes another catch. Well. Another day for Imtiaz, however, taking hold of his catches. Naveed Khan walks in, experienced batsman. Imtiaz very happy today, 2 out of 2 catches done. Villain.
Thank you.
Hello. Villain of the last match now. Hero of the current one so far. Naveed Khan walks in and now facing Jabran Wali. It's 79 for 3. ADCL Greens chipping away with the wickets. This is exactly what they wanted. Slightly faster one. That's the end of the over. A good over, 6 runs and 1 wicket off this over. At the end of the 12 overs, it is 79 for 3. Shero, 79 for 3. 12 over.
12. उसी साइड से कर दो, उसी साइड से करो।
Ali Akbar will continue from round the wicket this time.
Well ball.
Cut towards point. Call for 2. However, single taken. Hats off to Babar, being a backup keeper. He has done quite well today. Haji? Sometimes an opportunity comes up for players and they
सर्कल से आयो, सर्कल से। अदर भाई उसको सर्कल से लेके आना।
Call for catch. Not to be.
बच गया ना नीडो अपने बैट से लग के लगी
Good delivery by Ali Akbar. ले आ कह रहे हैं ना. I feel that the batsman must wear protective gear.
क्योंकि अभी वो गुजरा ना तो तंदूरा में इशारा कर रहा तो देखते
ऐसा कर तो
ये गुजरा ना बंदा
जल्दी करो
हमारे यहाँ सीआईडी तो नहीं है कहीं
अरे अलाउड है नहीं खेलना as long as we are fulfilling the SOPs. 1 मीटर नहीं 1 मीटर का रही है ना पता नहीं. Interesting contest between Ali Akbar and Naveed Khan. Another wicket by Ali Akbar will definitely do wonders for ADCL Greens. ADCL Greens would love to have either of these players scalp
ना उन्हीं दे
immediately.
कैच फिर भी नहीं सी होना
बाबर
बहुत अच्छी कीपिंग कर रहे हो मैं ये दस रहा ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਊਟਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਯਾਰ ਟਾਈਮ
Shaba bowling. Oh shit.
Loose delivery, dispatch for 6 towards mid wicket region by Naveed Khan. Very critical wicket and partnership for Naveed. So counter attack starting from Naveed Khan. The crux and core and critical partnership of ADCL Reds now. Anything after that would not be genuine batsmen. It will either be all-rounders or just all-rounders. Oh, cry for catch. However, there's protection there.
Ball pakdo Ali ball pakdo.
One more delivery. Well run from this over so far. Slow delivery is dispatch for a 6. Poor delivery. 18 runs coming off this over. I think Haider should think about coming himself.
मैं आ रहा हूँ
तो बाहर कौन जाएगा? आप जा रहे हैं?
लेके जा रहे हैं अंदर डिसाइड करते हैं
जो करना है जल्दी करें यार. आप रहने दें. .97 for 3 in 13 overs. Jabranwali to continue. So far, good economical overs by him. 2 overs, 14 runs, 1 wicket. Naveed Khan would definitely be looking forward to attack. Well bowled, sir. Fine pitch circle च आ जाओ. हाँ. Naveed Khan assessing the bowler, assessing the pitch.
आगे नहीं पीछे रखो पीछे. सौरभ बाहर जाएंगे. bowling, Shaba.
Smacked for 6 towards mid-wicket region. Naveed Khan taking on Gibran. Another dot delivery. So a good delivery on the offside.
बार के साथ लड़ना नहीं करो.
शाबाश 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 टेंशन में है टेंशन में है
सही है शाबाश.
शाबाश 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 इमरान शाबाश ऐसे ही छोड़ा जी अंदर रख के ऐसे ही छोड़ा जी अंदर रख के
हो गया. लाइटर चाहिए तो मैं दे सकता. लाइटर दे.
बाल बढ़ा रहे हैं आप. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So wide delivery. Can it be a catch? Oh, could have been a magnificent one, but dropped. A very difficult chance, but catches win matches. Single taken. Definitely will be considered as drop. Would have been a catch of the tournament perhaps, but unfortunately it was not so. That's 6. Very expensive over. Haider Hussain will definitely have to come.
आप साइड पे रखो शाबा. हैदर भाई खुद आ जाए.
Gibran Wali drifting towards leg, being dispatched for 6 rightly. Again a very poor delivery. Tried to do a bit of faster one, gone for 6. Very poor over, and rightly the over which ADCL Reds were hoping for 20 runs over. After 14 overs it is 117 for 3. Imtiaz Afridi will now initiate his spell. Experienced lad. Check from Crick Hero. Crick Heroes से check करें. Crick Heroes का लिंक भेजा, उधर से चेक करें. तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. You asked me a question, you got the answer.
97
Or send someone to sit here. Send someone to sit here then.
97
Dispatched off for 4. What a poor start of the over from Imtiaz. Naveed Khan dispatching it for 4. Now suddenly the pressure seems to be on ADCL Greens. Good flurry of overs by ADCL Reds.
ऑलमोस्ट 120 हो गया मेरे हाथ 15वां है
65 बॉल तो 100. Single taken. Boundaries is what ADCL Greens should try to stop. 122 required in 64 deliveries. So the required run rate is 11.44. And still after this over 10 runs, 10 overs to go. Poor delivery again. There is Shakil smacking and gone for 4. Haider Hussain surprisingly is not coming himself. A left arm bowler would change the scenario a bit. Imtiaz has considered 11 runs in 4 deliveries. I'm sorry, but that's not the way you should move forward.
कैप्टन कौन है इधर? हारून भाई नहीं आते बॉलिंग के
Another huge 6. Poor bowling. I will repeat it again. Haider Hussain has to come himself. Giving ball to Imtiaz at this stage has backfired. The required run rate now coming down to 10.82. 110 from 61 deliveries. Still one good over from Greens can push ADCL Reds back.
कवर हो रहा है इधर जड़ा होना है हवा देखो कितनी तेज है एडिटिंग में बजती थी है ना वो फिर तो
चलो after this what a class shot.
back
2 runs.
what's the score
It's 136 for 3 after 15 overs. 108 required in 60 balls.
तो ये
Which flavor?
स्ट्रॉबेरी
My man. Saurabh Mehta has been asked to bowl. Saurabh Mehta will bowl the last over from the parking end. चॉपर बेटा पीछे करना
ओवर चाली लगा
है पार्टनरशिप तुसी तोड़ लो ना अगले 4 ओवर च गेम खत्म लेकिन उधरों दी हैदर नु आना चाहिए
क्या मैच क्या पे जाते हो
किसी भी करा लो नहीं लेकिन 5वां हो जाएगा आने को
तो क्या
Saurabh Mehta bowling to Naveed Khan now. The last over from the parking end. After that, the side will change. Good delivery driven towards long off. Saurabh Mehta distraught with shoulder pain. Saurabh Mehta will not continue. It seems shoulder issues are still persisting. Waqar Butt is being asked. Waqar but to ball. पहले इन्हें को ओवर कराओ, अगर अच्छा करता है तेनों फिर पंजवां दो, ठीक? वही मैं कह रहा हूं। वकार अहमद call for two, however single taken. Poor delivery and gone for four. Contest at hand. Poor delivery again. Dispatch for four. Waqar. Poor bowling. Waqar completely deviating from the line which is expected of him, going towards leg side, and very rightly dispatched for four. ADCL Greens not making it easy for themselves. That's a good delivery, resulting in a single. This is what is required. One more delivery to go, and that will be the end of the over. Smacked towards extra cover and gone for four. Poor delivery, and that's the end of the over. After 16 over, ADCL Reds 151 for 3. The situation more or less is the same as it was for ADCL Greens. Now we will change side. The last 9 overs will be bowled from the golf course end. And Haider Hussain. कह दिया अंदर? किसको कहा है? नहीं, वो रिसेप्शनिस्ट को कहो यार. .93 required from 54 deliveries. Haider Hussain comes into attack. Last 9 overs. Shakil Bhai is on 49 from 17 deliveries. Naveed Khan 33 from 15 deliveries. It's 151 for 3 in 16 overs. 93 required from 54. Haider Hussain comes in, the captain, left arm. Kamran. Good delivery, dispatch for 6 or a catch, and is gone. Haider Hussain, my goodness, and rightly so, Imtiaz Afridi takes the catch. Mahmood walks in. A good move, I think. Mahmood is an experienced batsman. He is good in taking single and doubles. Haider Hussain leading from the front, taking wicket first delivery. Shayan, Haider's son, is sitting with me, very pleased with his dad's performance so far, hoping his dad would clinch this victory. Another good delivery going out. It's a wide delivery called by the umpire, seems rightly so. Another wicket here of Mr. Shakil would definitely put half the match in ADCL Green's pocket. Mr. Shakil is playing on 49 from 17 deliveries. That's another wide delivery. The required run rate is still 10.30. Good delivery. Good delivery. Dot delivery. Shakil Rana is the key to this match for ADCL Reds. Good delivery once again. So two good deliveries by Haider. Seems he's getting spin, and he wouldn't mind a couple of wide deliveries even if he's spinning this way. So far in 3 deliveries he has only conceded 2 runs and taken 1 wicket. And call for catch, however, should be a single and taken at long off. Ali Akbar, safe pair of hands. Quick outfield fielder, very athletic, was immediately on the ball and restricted it for just a single. Singles as of now won't hurt ADCL Greens. It's the boundaries which will hurt them. Driven gracefully by Mahmood. Call for 2, but seems it won't be. Ali Akbar right on the money. And that's still 1 more to go. 4 runs from 5 deliveries so far and 1 wicket taken. Haider Hussain, can he finish his? What a good fielding by. Single taken. That's the end. Haroon will bowl his 5th over. That's a good gamble. He's bowled quite beautifully so far. Quite unlucky to be wicketless. So coming off over the wicket. Now the plan, what I can see from Greens, is to make the batsman play against the wind towards the mid-wicket region. The wind is going from the mid-wicket region towards the point as of now, and should be 4. Gone for 4. That's a poor delivery as far as I'm concerned, especially when you look at the field setup. Play towards cover, call for 1. Fielder quickly dispatches the ball, so only 1. dropped. Then टोपी को लगा है, टोपी गिरी है, इट्स स्टिल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. अगर इट्स स्टिल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, अगर हवा में होती है और फिर रोकता ना, दैट्स कॉल्ड. हाँ फिर होता है. ये उसके लग गई है, उसको उतर गई जैसे ना. हाँ लेकिन नहीं ना वो.
ओके, क्वेश्चन क्लियरिफाई करना भाई.
तो हमारा काम है बताना यार. ठीक है, हम तो कुछ चीज़ें हमें भी.
लवली, गुड बॉल, गुड बॉल.
सिंगल हो या सिर्फ.
शाबाश शाबाश महमूद.
81 चाहिए था, 44. गुड बॉल. किसको कह रहे हैं? कौन सी बॉल निकल जाती? हाँ 2-4 गेंदा देख के फिर जेडी शॉट मारनी मरी. टाइम बहुत पे है हले भी. देखो 18वां ओवर हाले चल रहा है. वो चाहेगा कि तू जेड़ा भी बॉलर आएगा ना, और स्पेशली हैदर, वो तो चाहेगा तू पहली बॉल तो मारो. 2 छक्के मार के भी अगर आउट हो गया, शॉट है. 14 है जी इस ओवर 170 पे 4. मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. Have you said someone to... it will be very quick actually. 18 हो गए. महमूद कर रहा उसने. महमूद इज प्लेइंग वेल. जो उसका काम है वो कर रहा है. Haider Hussain is back in the attack. Last over was quite expensive, went for 14 runs. 74 required of 42 deliveries. Mahmood now facing Haider. Dot delivery. Now this is where Greens should focus on. They should try their best that Mahmood faces more deliveries, since the hitter of Shakil and Mahmood is definitely Shakil. Easy single taken and a single taken. Shakil Rana, the key to this match as of now. Shorter delivery, call for a catch, however not so. Call for 2, however only a single taken. Still a good Reds still have Numan Hamid and their champion hard-hitting batsman for the circle overs. Good delivery, played at extra cover. There is protection there. Haider is bowling very well as of now. Now the problem with Haider would be that he will bowl this is the 19th over, which is his second over. He will bowl the 21st over and then he will bowl the 23rd over. So he has to make sure that somebody must bowl the 25th and the 23rd over and the next one. Can it be a catch? And a dropped one by Ali Akbar. My goodness, that is sloppy. My goodness, how critical would that catch have been? It should have been caught. It was a regulation catch. Catches win matches. Bad delivery, dispatched towards extra cover. However, there is protection there. Haider Hussain very unlucky not to have his wicket. 6 runs from this over. A good over from ADCL Greens. ADCL Reds are 176 for 4. It's quite obvious that since ADCL Greens are not taking their catches regularly, for sure ADCL Reds will not make it easy for ADCL Greens. They will definitely fight till the end. Shakil here is the key. Ali Akbar comes in to the attack for his last over. 68 required from 36 deliveries. Now 176 for 4. Catches are the key. Ali Akbar coming from round the wicket. That's interesting. There's no protection at the third man. Shakil will definitely fancy his chances there. And a wide ball. I still feel that coming around the wicket, especially bowling at a wider angle, will benefit Shakil. But there is a protection there at the mid-wicket region, cow corner region and long on region. Around the wicket would not suffice. And as anticipated, edged off the point and smacked for 4. It was always intentional to smack towards that side. The bowler must come from the overside of the wicket rather than persisting with the round the wicket side. The wind is against the batsman if he plays towards the mid-wicket end. One drop catch has also been witnessed just now towards the mid-wicket side by Riaz, deploying the same tactics. I am surprised that the same is not being repeated again. Now protection taken away from mid-wicket side and provided towards deep point side. Ali still persisting towards catch for a catch. Should be one and it's a 6. Required run rate 10.06. Smack towards mid-wicket region. There is protection there. Difficult. Zishan. .49 required of 32 deliveries now. Very expensive over. The bowler now coming from over the wicket, which is what should have been dispatched before. Point protection from the boundary has been brought back inside the field. The mid-wicket protection has been sent back. So the bowler now coming from over the wicket. Protection at the mid-wicket, cow corner and long on region. 25 runs from this over, very expensive over. 201 for 4, and in the last 5 overs 43 are required. ADCL Reds are now, I would say, in command. They have 6 wickets in hand. ADCL Greens are definitely not willing to take catches when it matters. Suddenly the tides have turned. Haider Hussain to continue. Mahmood playing a stable good role. 43 required in 30 deliveries. Catch dropped by Noman Ahmed walks in. An unnecessary wicket. Noman Hamid, critical batsman. Taking his time, he knows that the matches in ADCL Reds comfort zone as of now. Still 28 deliveries left, 43 runs required. Shakeel is still there. No need to play a fancy shot. A bad delivery dispatched towards mid-wicket region. There is protection there, only a single taken. Hmm? 42 from 27 required. Good delivery and magnificently played. Gone for 6. Catches are the key. Poor fielding by ADCL Greens today. Lots of catches dropped, and they are now reaping what they sowed. Shakeel on the move, finishing off what he could not do against Yellows, making sure this time try for a catch, but definitely the ball will run for 4. Fielder running, however, too late and gone for 4. (100) from 36 deliveries by Shakeel. My goodness. Very intelligently driven towards the mid-wicket region. A single taken, so strike will be taken by Shakeel. End of 21st over, it's 213 for 5. Shakeel 101 from 37 deliveries. Noman is on 1 from 2 deliveries. Haider finishes off his third over, conceding 23 runs and 1 wicket. Now this is where Haider needs to think about his death bowlers. Who will be the one to bowl? Jabran Wali is being asked to bowl the 22nd over. 31 required in 4 overs. The required run rate has dropped down to 7.75. What an innings Shakil has played, and again drop catches have led to Green in this position. If they will not keep their catches, if they were simple catches, dropped by Riaz, dropped by Ali Akbar, dropped by Imtiaz, these catches Jabran Wali, wide delivery. Cutting across. Oh, good delivery. Call for 2. Sloppy fielding by Riaz. No. Poor fielding by Riaz. (28) required of 23 deliveries. Driven towards long off and a single taken.
झुके शाबाश.
Good delivery by Jabran. 27 from 21 deliveries. And gone for 6. Should be a catch. And gone. Brilliant catch by Dishan. Shahroz comes in, right-handed batsman. However, Shakil is the one who will face the last 2 deliveries of this over. Can there be a twist? Who knows? It's cricket, funny game. However, the 23rd over will be bowled by Haider. Who will bowl the 24th and the 25th? That's the key. Jabran, can he take Shakil's wicket at this stage? Let's see. Driven towards long, very well fielded by Imtiaz.
देखना चाहे तो ऐसे ही याद आते हैं कैसे छोटे।
Last delivery. Shahroz should just tap it. Dot delivery would do for ADCL Reds. After 22 overs is 218 for 6. Shakil 105 in 40 deliveries. Shahroz not from 1. Jabran ends his fourth over. 39 runs conceded from 2 deliveries and has taken 2 wickets.
हाँ
Haider Hussain. Last 3 overs. Shakil is the key here. Take Shakil's wicket, anything can happen. That's cricket. Because the next man in will be Kamran Butt, and it will not be easy to finish off under this pressure. Now, the next 2 overs are, I don't know, one might be Usman Asad, one might be Imtiaz. Very gently played and a single taken.
मेरे 4 हो गए ना, उसने हारून ने 5 किया।
तो अब 2 कौन कराएगा? एक इम्तियाज को कराना पड़ेगा। बुखार हैदर के चौथा नहीं, ये चौथा है भाई। खत्म। शहरोज वेरी बैड डिलीवरी।
आगे बढ़े।
पोजीशन चेंज कर लिए, पोजीशन चेंज कर लेना बैट्समैन। जगह में खड़े होके खेलता तो नो थी। जैन भाई आईसीसी रूल है, अगर आपने अपनी बैटिंग पोजीशन चेंज कर ली है तो वाइड भी कैंसिल है और नो भी कैंसिल है अगर वो हाइट की। ये आईसीसी का रूल है। कितनी नो बॉल? च्युइंगम किसने फेंक दी? कौन है यार च्युइंगम? यार सनी कैच किसने ली है?
आपका आफ्टरनून से टेक अराउंड ट्रेनर एज नॉट बैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
क्या हुआ? लास्ट ओवर हैदर फंस गया। हैदर 24-25 किससे करवाएगा? हैदर ट्रैप हो गया। हैदर ने 24 और 25 की प्लानिंग ही नहीं की हुई। 24वां कराया एक
आजम के पास सीधा भी कैच
वो नहीं पकड़ता। डोंट पकड़। ये एक करवाएगा इम्तियाज से, एक ये शायद वकार बाट से कराया। और क्या ऑप्शन है इसके पास? सनी कह रहा मैं नहीं कर रहा। सनी के 4 हो।
नहीं, हारून ने 5 करवा।
हारून ने 5 कर दिया।
कौन करेगा? इम्तियाज करेगा।
मैच स्टार्ट है। आउट है जब तक आवाज आ रही है यार। किस चीज का?
हो गया आउट था।
केड़ा बाबर था ना? सौबी कह रहा है कि आउट नहीं है और बाबर भी कह रहा है कि आई एम नॉट। मुझे मेरा नहीं ख्याल। सौरभ आई बिलीव हिम।
ये सेम है जो आवाज आई।
नहीं मुझे नहीं आई, मैं बोला कह रहा हूँ। वो आपको आई है, मुझे तो नहीं आई ना। मुझे नहीं आई यार कोई बात। मैं कहा वो जो बाबर की है, मुझे बाहर कोई बात नहीं आई। आपको कैमरे में भी नहीं आएगी ये बात। देख लीजिए बाबर की।
बाबर वाली
ओपी को पहले भेजते थे।
सिचुएशन है
बाबर भाई टू बी ऑनेस्ट फॉर अ मेकशिफ्ट कीपर ही इज केप्ट वेल।
हां वेरी गुड।
ओ यार
अच्छा किया
ये चुंगन में भाई। सामा परवेज सेन they don't have to declare. Very critical ball, but the Very well defended by Usama Pervez. And most critically, it brings Shakil back on the attack. Even if Reds win this match, they have a lot to ponder. Their next opponent, Yellows, are quite ruthless. They won't be as kind as Greens. Now, Yusuf